What's up, guys? And today I'm teaching about there is a race that I must run, there are victories to be won, give me power every hour to be true. Okay, put to transpose wako positive 5. This is a C-sharp tutorial. The song goes like this. See, okay, I'm gonna play first indlela mhlambe indlela ezu 2 or 3 indlela ozohamba ngazo, because you mustn't play the same way until ngizamizwa yophela. Okay, the basic one ungayidlala qala okay. Mhlambe esithathu, let me see. Okay, ngithi okay. So you can't tell me to ngihamba ngayiphi indlela. Okay, mina ngifuna isi basic here actually. Okay, spin the foot. Drum lakho elihamba kamnandi nje. Simple song. Ngiyathanda ukuthi uhambe ngale ndlela le. That's it, Buffett. This song is very simple. I don't know if I'm trying to cut down this time. My tutorial. But one last time, very slowly. There is a race. There are my son. There are victories to be won. Okay, simple one. That's it, Buffett. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification icon, go to the description section, check any information that you want. You can donate with airtime or money. Thanks guys, but please subscribe, click the notification icon. That's it guys, catch you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, sharp guys.